Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a customized report in Track-It application using DevExpress Editor. Alright, so in order to create a new report, let's first come to the reports module. I'm already into the reports module. So now from here onwards, the steps will be same for reports creation for all the other modules. So now in today's video, we are going to create a report for the help desk module. The steps for the reports creation for all the other modules will be same. So let's start. We'll first click on a new button, add a name. I'll just randomly give a name, and then data source is the source from where all your fields will be pulled up. I want to create a simple ticket report, so I'll select a data source as ticket. You may have an option to select multiple data sources as well depending upon the report you are creating. I'll now click on the design report. So once we click on the design report, a blank page will be created. Let's go to the design in report wizard as we are going to create a brand new report. So design in the report, here you will find 4 options: empty report, table report, vertical report, and the label report. Now I'm going to create the report for the total tickets by priority and by month. So I'll need to use the table report here. I select the table report and click next. Here we will find 4 options. The first one is the data source. Second one is the data field, group field, as well as the add summary. So now I will select the ticket as a data source, and then I'd like to select few of the fields I would like to add to the report. So I'll select ticket ID, and then I would like to have priority. So here is my priority. I have added these 2 fields, and then I would like to group them by priority. So I have just selected this grouping as priority, and then in the ticket field I'd like to have ticket ID, and I would like to group them with count field. Okay, then you can just click on next, and then you have an option here to select the page layout. You can either keep it to have the default option, or then you can change it as per your needs. Then you also have an option to resize the space. I'll just go with the default one. You also have an options to change the schema of the report. You have light blue and lot of colors. I'll again go with the default one only, and then you just need to click on finish. So now once you click on the finish, you will get a brand new report. Now here we wanted to group the tickets by priority, so then we will change the priority and the level of the priority to 2. Alright, so now next option is we'll try to add the bar chart, and the simplest way to do this is to add the pivot grid table. Now in order to add the pivot grid table, we'll first need to add the sub band for the report header. So we will just click here, and this is the option to insert the sub band. That's it. You can just expand and you will see the sub band over here. Now you can just drag and drop this pivot grid view in the sub band, just like that. Now in order to make the changes and add the information over here, so now let's start adding the details. So first of all, I'll select the data source. Data source is my Track-It data source, and the data member is ticket. Then I'll go to the data, expand the data. You already have this information over here. Expand the fields. We will now add 2 fields here. I click the addition icon once, and this is second. I have added 2 fields over here. Expand the first grid view field. So here allowed area looks good. For area we need it to be a data area. Scroll down once more, and the data column, we'll select the data column to be ticket ID and summary as count. Now we will just minimize this pivot grid view field 1 and expand the second one. Again here the first option looks right. Here in the area we'll need to have row area. Again scroll down. In the data column we'll want to have closed by technician names. So I'll respectively select closed by technician, and then this in the summary I would like to have the sum of all the tickets. I will now just save these changes. So now I would like to also want to have the chart over here. So I'll just drag and drop this chart icon in the sub band itself. If needed, you can always resize it as per your need. I'll keep it a little bigger, and in the data source, while keeping this chart selected, I'll select the data source as pivot grid view 1, and then I will save the changes. Once the changes are saved, you can also review the report we just created. So the report is created successfully. You can just zoom in and zoom out. So we have the grid view, we have the pivot chart, and we have all the details over here. This is how we have successfully created a basic report in Track-It application. I hope this information was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.